Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with another of Sandis Decorate Your Life Amazing Digitals. And you guys, look at how cute. This one is called Summer Days. She just put it in her store, in her shop. And you guys, I will link her store down in the description below, so if you guys are interested, go over, check it out. I will also link the affiliate link to this digital if you guys are interested in purchasing it. You guys, I do earn a small commission from it. It basically goes towards my crafting supplies. You guys do not have, or it's at no extra cost to you guys, no extra cost to you guys. It just helps me out a little bit. So just let me go ahead and just show you guys. It is called Summer Days, and look at the cuteness, you guys. OMG. So of course, when you print these out, depends on your settings. Usually you do print them out at an 8.5 by 11. I did want to resize these so that way you guys could see the whole full digital. I've noticed that when I do the 8.5 by 11, I'm trying to fit it in the camera, and I feel like you guys do not see the cuteness in its entirety. So there you go. And so let me go ahead and zoom this up so you guys could see that. And isn't that cute? Look at the gnomes, the mushroom, the butterflies. Oh my gosh, look at the duck. Here is the boy and the girl gnome. OMG. So there you go. This is just another cute little background. Isn't that cute? And there's a button with a little bow on here, and those are, I think, are foliage. And that is the cutest. And look at this one, you guys. OMG. And of course, you guys know that with digitals, you can resize at any size. You could just focus on a certain area and make that bigger if you want, or just, you know, print that area if you like. So look at you guys. Isn't that the cutest? I love the whimsical digitals. You could do so many things. If you have kids, grandkids, you could do stuff for them, you know, party invitations. Oh my gosh. And of course, once you buy this digital, it's yours to keep forever, as long as it's in your computer. But you guys, make sure you guys save it on your computer so you guys could reprint, and you can reprint as many times as you like at no extra cost, you guys. Oh my goodness. So this is the cutest. Look at this gnome right here. This looks like a cupcake to me. It could be a, oh my gosh, it could be, oh my gosh, artichoke. It could be an artichoke. I was like thinking, I'm like, no, it's not a mushroom. It looks like a cupcake. But now that I'm thinking about it, it could be an artichoke. Oh my goodness. Look at you guys. And here is a little cute little boot. I don't know if you guys see that. The hearts and the sun. OMG. And then you have these little cute cut aparts right here on the side. Of course, you can make these bigger. You can make them smaller. And look at the one with the truck. Oh my gosh. Look at this one right here. This is like a whole scenery right here. It is cute. Oh my goodness. So anyway, so there you go. Of course, I will link the affiliate link down on the description below, along with Sandy's store. Of course, you guys know that Sandy is always so generous enough to do a digital giveaway. This one might be a little late. I know she might be a little busy. She's having something done. I don't want to talk about it because I don't want to be the one with the news or anything. But if you guys were to watch her channel, you guys might know. I know. Oh my God, Jenny. She didn't do a video on you know, the update on what's going on with Sandy. If you guys want to go over, check that out. Of course, Jenny is also on the design team, so everybody that is in the design team will actually be down on the description below. You guys can go over, check them out as well. They have so many lovely and amazing creations. And again, thank you guys. And if you guys are interested in the digital, it is make sure you put Summer Days. Of course, this is called Summer Days. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and sorry for all the mumbling and talking. But again, thank you, and we'll see you guys on the next video with my project share and the winner for that one. Okay, thank you. Bye for now.